It really depends on your taste. Kaya hindi ko na lang lalagyan ng kung gaano karami yung amount kasi it will really depend kung gaano nyo ka gusto yung kung gaano ka.
What? Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Princess, and for today's video, we are going to make a 5-minute oatmeal recipe. First, we need a clean bowl, and then we'll get our tada! Oatmeal. So for this one, we're gonna use half a cup of oatmeal. So, this is quick cooking. Idiretso na natin siya. So, tansyahin nyo lang, guys. So, half a cup. And then, we're gonna pour in hot water. Basically, ganun din karami. So, here. Or, depende sa inyo. This is hot water, ah. Okay. And then, next, we're gonna add brown sugar. Pwede ring white sugar. It depends on your preference. I like it sweet, so I'll add more sugar. Trying to be healthy here, pero ang daming sugar, no? And then, Milo. I like Milo. Well, for flavoring, chocolate. And then we're gonna add milk. Okay, so this is not sponsored. Okay. So there. And then we're gonna mix it. We forgot the vanilla extract here. It will add, alam nyo guys, kahit konti lang nito, sobrang 1 teaspoon lang nito, very, ano na yung taste niya. Very, ramdam. Hindi ramdam. Ramdam mo na yung taste nung vanilla extract. We're gonna mix it. It really depends kung ano yung preference nyo, kung gusto nyo ba sweet or yung balance lang. I like it sweet, kaya dinagdagan ko siya. Alam nyo ba guys, na ang oatmeal is high in soluble fiber. It is good for our digestion. It controls our blood sugar. It is rich in minerals and vitamins. B1, zinc, magnesium. So, there. It also reduces bad cholesterol. This is really good for us. You're gonna get bananas. We're gonna peel our banana. So, malinis naman guys yung kamay ko, no? We're gonna slice it. Ako, I want it diagonal. So, banana, it has potassium. It is crucial for heart, muscles, and nerves. It has fiber also. And vitamin B6, it helps our metabolism and immune system. And it also has vitamin C that will boost our immune system. So, there you go. We're gonna add the banana. So, and then milk, as we all know, it's good for our body. Kaya nga lagi tayong pinapainom ng ating parents ng milk when we were a child. And until now naman, dapat talaga umiinom pa rin ng milk. Pero ako, I'm not a fan of milk. There. So, this is a healthy and quick recipe. Maganda to for breakfast. And pag nagmamadali ka, pwedeng ganito na lang yung gawin mo. Parang hindi maganda yung presentation natin, ano? But if you're nagmamadali, you can just throw all the bananas sa ating oatmeal. And then, we're gonna add Milo. We're gonna sprinkle Milo. Kasi I like it sweet nga. So, it's our 5-minute oatmeal recipe. So, here. And now, we will taste it. It's really delicious. Others kasi, they want peanut butter in their oatmeal. So, it's okay. Depende naman talaga yun sa preference nyo. Pero ako kasi, I like chocolate. Happy eating! If you guys like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And see you to my next video. Bye!